Hey there, in this video, we're going to explore adding services to your dashboard. After adding services, you'll be able to fully utilize the booking tool, which is covered in a separate video. And once you've logged into your dashboard, in the top right-hand corner, we're going to select services from the dropdown. This is where all of your services will live, and you can always make changes to them here at a later point. To begin the process, we're going to click on the blue Add Service button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. First off, we're going to name the service, and we're also going to write up a mini description of the service. After that, we'll set the price, and we'll also select the duration or how long this service will take place for. Next, you can choose whether or not there's going to be a missed appointment fee and where the service takes place, whether that's at the customer address or the business location itself. And you can even add in an image for the service type. The following section lets us decide whether we want this service to be bookable by the customer or not. And if this is turned on, the customer can book the service from your website, and if not, only you as the business owner would have the option to book it for them. So if they called in, you would have to enter these details in on the back end. If the service is bookable by the customer, we can choose a prep time that essentially acts as a buffer to give you enough time between appointments. You can select the date range or how far in advance people can make this booking. You can also dictate the start time increments, whether or not people can book this appointment on the hour time frame or the half-hour time frame, and so on. And if you want, you can even customize hours for specific services, as well as add in a company logo that will appear on appointment reminders that are sent to your customers. In the next section, if you are using the payments tool within the dashboard, you can choose whether or not the payment is due at checkout. And if it is, you can dictate whether customers will pay in full or partially before the service has even been performed. This can be really useful if you typically require a deposit on your bookings. Under the management section, you can select how you'd like to be notified about the booking, whether that's through text, email, or both. And you can also select which user on your team should receive that notification. And last but not least, you can even choose what color this service will appear as on your booking calendar. Once complete, we can click Add Service, and just like that, this service will appear in our list. Okay, so that just about wraps up this overview of the services section. Go ahead and check out the booking demo for additional insights on this process flow. And as always, please reach out to our team if you have any questions.